Hi guys, Ollie here from Kids Craftcast doing this adventure for request by Sydney Trains Vlogs. .304 service from Chatswood to Epping via Central. Set is A68. Departing platform 1. Oscar departing Chatswood, platform 1, H22, Central service, going to St Mary's. Alright, that's it. See you guys. Thank God, departing platform 1 at Chatswood T63, St Rehab, St Mary's service. Departing Chatswood platform 2, Penrith service. Time is 3:13. This is the 3:13 service to Penrith via Central.
The next train to arrive on
There you are.
goes to
Waratah A38 on platform 3. We'll go to Hornsby via Macquarie Park, Macquarie University. So all stations to Hornsby via Macquarie University.
the next train to arrive on platform 3 goes to Hornsby via Macquarie University. First stop